Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me here today for this video. My name is Keegan Edwards with Liquid Retailer, and today we're going to be talking about getting set up with email notifications with your Bold Recurring Orders app on Shopify. Now, for those businesses that are interested in selling subscriptions, so what that is, and for our cases most often that's pet stores that are interested in selling their dog food, cat food, or other products and treats to their customers using their website on some sort of subscription. So where customers can go on and order 2 bags of dog food to be delivered to them once a month and have the transaction be processed fully online. Bold is a great app for that. And what we're going to talk about, though, is the need to have email notifications set up because all of the things that can happen for those customers that are on subscriptions with your business. And so what I mean by that is there may be times where your customer who has a subscription for dog food with your business where their credit card may fail. They may have gotten a new credit card, it may be declined for whatever reason, and so their order won't go through. Or they may need dog food sooner than they had thought, or they may need it later. Or they may have decided to try a different type of product or add treats or change out products to their subscription. And if those things happen, they're going to need notifications. You may also be out of stock on an item. All sorts of things can happen to these subscriptions. And the easiest way to help manage this is to make sure that notifications get sent to your customers and to you when there are these triggering events that happen with your subscription customers. So in order to set these up, I'm going to go over here to the right to Settings, and I'm going to go to this tab that's Emails. And I'm going to scroll down here to get set up with email notifications. Now, the notifications that'll go to your customers will have a from email. So I'll leave this for me right now. Keegan at liquidretailer.com is the from email. That's no problem. The from name, so I could either put something like Keegan Edwards here, or I could put Liquid Retailer. In many instances, you probably want to use the name of your business. Then you'll see this is the Bold notifications email. So this is the email that you would like notifications to be sent to on your side. So when a triggering event happens, you don't just want the email to go to your customer about that event. You'd probably also want that to either go to yourself or to your store manager so that you'll know that something has happened with a subscription, it's been canceled, changed, or what have you. And you're going to want somebody on your end of the business to know and be able to fix that situation. So for me, this is perfect. I'll leave this as my email, so I'll be notified of anything that happens. Here you have a range of options, and these represent some of the different things that might happen with a subscription. And you'll see here in the print below, choose which types of user activities you would like to be notified about. You will receive an email anytime a user performs that action. So for me, I want to know, let's say for my business, I want to know when somebody's updated their credit card. I would like to know, let's say, when they've changed their order quantity, or they've changed the date that they want their subscription to go through. Let's say I want to know if they've added a product or removed a product from their subscription, or let's say applied discount code. So if I check these and I save it, then what's going to happen is when any of these things happen with my subscription customers, now that I've saved it, I'll receive an order notification about it sent directly to my email, letting me know which customer and what's happened with their order, which of these specific events has happened with their subscription with my business. Now, if I go down here, you'll see that I have the option to set up the emails that go directly to my customers. And I can set up and have this trigger to send to them when these things happen. So let's just say when my customers have an order that's about to go through, let's say they have an order coming up, it's about time for their subscription to be charged and send them a product. Let's say I want them to receive this email saying, good news, your order is shipping soon. So I'd go in here and look and see that it says under trigger email, it says no right now. But I do want my customers to receive that email when their orders come close to going through. So I click right here and click edit, and you'll see that I get access to an editor. But in order to do that, I need to uncheck this box. So it says check if you do not want to send an email to customers. So I do, so I'm going to uncheck this box, and then it's going to give me all this information for things that I can use to edit the email. Now, we're not going to get into editing emails in this video, but you can see here that this email will be sent 3 days, or I can pick however number of days I want it to go. Maybe I want it to go the day before, maybe I want it to go the week before, but let's just leave it at 3 days. Will be sent 3 days before your next order, and here's what it'll say. Hi, and then it'll say the customer's first name. This is a friendly reminder that your next subscription order is scheduled to ship in 3 days. Exciting times. And it has some text. It puts in my store name and my store URL, and I can save this now. And if I go back, I'll see that my customer will now receive an email saying, good news, your order is shipping soon. It's triggered, it's all set to say yes, and they'll receive an upcoming order email. Now, I can go through these and pick which triggering events I want to have my customers receive emails for. So things like limited subscription expiration, upcoming credit card expiration, I can go in here and edit and make sure they receive notifications for any of those things directly to my customer. So again, in this video, we're talking about email notifications. It'll help you be able to manage the subscription portion of your business. Here's the place where you set up where those emails are coming from and at your business and who within your business receives them. You can pick which ones you want to receive personally at your business, and then you can set up which notifications you'd like to send to customers based on different triggering events. And thanks for joining us here today. That's our video on setting up notifications for Bold Commerce. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at liquidretailer.com or email me directly at keegan@liquidretailer.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.